will soon be demolished, and this entire portion right from this corner to that point, that wall, this entire space is going to be like a raised garden. So you'll be having steps that take you to the veranda space over there. That's going to be the main ground floor of the house. So it's a bit high because we have provided basement for car parking. So that has led to a higher level ground floor. And this basement is going to house three big cars, and there'll also be space for storing your storing items or a guard room and a generator set as well. So do you want to climb up along with me? So this is the ground floor. We're going to have a drawing room over here, like a puja hall space over here, and that's where the drawing room is going to be, facing the veranda, facing the garden. And on the upper level over there, you can see a cantilevered massive balcony. So there's going to be a casual living space behind that as well. And there's going to be a bedroom over here. And then again on the top floor, you're going to have two more bedrooms on that floor. So all put together, there are totally 7 bedrooms in this house. It's a totally 6,000 square feet construction. Yeah, per floor it's around 2,000 square feet. Now let's walk into the space, start climbing up this. So this is going to be a bit tricky, please be careful. And take support of down there. So we are now reaching the entrance veranda. So this is the entrance veranda space. They are going to put some sofa, some seating arrangement over here, so that in the evening they can just sit here and enjoy. Yeah. So yeah, imagine sitting over here in the evening and then looking out towards the street. This is going to be a view from the entrance veranda space with the drawing room right behind. That's where we are standing. The drawing room is going to have like a lower seating space. So I have lowered the floor level here. You'll have 2 steps from here. Actually, the main entrance door is going to be on this side. So you enter like this, and then you have this beautiful folded plate staircase greeting the view, and then you turn right, and the entire house opens up. You have a massive drawing room space over here. You'll be having a TV unit on that wall, and this entire wall is going to be a big window opening towards the street. And that's where we're going to have the kitchen and dining space. And there we're going to have a bedroom for the parents, the master bedroom for the parents, along with a huge bathroom that's about 8 feet by 12 feet. So it's going to be a massive bathroom.
This sunken area is the bathroom?
Yeah, that's the bathroom. So there's going to be a wall from this column right up to that column. So that separates the drawing room area and the private area. And then you enter through the space. You'll be having a door over here, wardrobe on this side, and then that's the bedroom space, bathroom space.
The huge space that is there.
That is one bedroom. This is a bathroom. And you're going to have kitchen and dining space over here. And you'll be having a spiral staircase that takes you down into the basement. So after parking the car, you're just going to climb up the spiral staircase. So you don't have to go outside again, open the shutter. You can just come inside, and you're going to have a utility space over here. And we'll be filling up the soil outside. So that's why the ground floor is completely done in RCC, so that it can take the weight of the soil. You can't make a brick wall if you're going to put soil outside. So, okay. Please be careful, your nails protruding out. मेरे भैया भाभी ये क्लाइंट्स के नेबर हैं. So actually we are going to have steps going up to this level. And there will be like a slab all along this space, and then from there we'll be turning. So they are yet to construct that space.
This will be the dining space?
No, this is going to be another drawing room, hall space.
Okay.
Primarily meant for puja purpose.
Okay.
So as per Vastu, this is the northeast corner of the house. So you'll be having your puja mandir over here.
Okay.
And because they often organize big puja ceremonies,
Uh-huh.
they would prefer to have a big hall where they can entertain guests as well. big gathering, because this is also going to be for a joint family.
Got it.
So there will be a lot of people doing puja together. Now we'll carefully climb up the stairs, which is still under construction. So from here you can see the dining space, dining area below, right here. This is the dining area. We'll be having a glass railing all along this. And this space will have like a very high ceiling. So you'll have a grand ceiling when you're sitting under this space. And this is the eastern side of the building. So we are going to have massive glass windows over here with louvers for shading purpose. And also you get a very good view of the hills of the Gandhi Pahad on this side. So that's why I did not wish to close off this wall. Besides, we'll be planting some nice trees because we have 6.5 feet of setback space from the compound wall. So we can plant some really nice trees and that will add to the ambience of the interior space. Now we come to the first floor. So on the first floor, the space above the puja hall below, that becomes one bedroom, and along with that on this side we have a big toilet, big bathroom. This becomes the gallery space to access the door to the bedroom. This becomes another hangout space, a casual living area. We'll be having TV unit, sofa, and this entire space will open up with sliding glass panels into this big deck. And here you can, again from here you get a good view towards the street. So this space is going to be open to sky. So you can just sit down over here in the evenings. Obviously we'll be putting glass railing here. So you can sit down over here and you can enjoy the outdoor environment. And then we also have 2 bedrooms, just like the ground floor. We are going to repeat one more bedroom over here. So the portion between these 2 columns is going to be open. So you enter into this space. Please be careful. So you enter into this space. This becomes the common toilet space. They didn't want attached toilets, that was their requirement. They don't like attached toilets, they prefer common toilets. But even the common toilets have been cleaned in such a way that you can always clean them off from the common area. So on the right hand side you have 1 bedroom, and then on the left hand side as well you have a bigger bedroom. So it needs to be another big bedroom. And so that's the first floor plan. This bedroom is again about 15 feet by 15 feet. It's a pretty big bedroom. Good one. Now let's go to the upper floor. Again, you need to be really careful as you climb the steps. The formwork is still in place, so they are making the formwork for casting the upper level staircase.